What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Homelite leaf blower, and the problem is it's been sitting in storage for several months, and now when you try to use it, it doesn't want to get up to speed. This residential blower has some years on it, but it did run when put up last year. Let's start it, let it warm up, and see what the problem is for ourselves. I could just simply adjust the mixture screws to get it to run better, but then I remembered that the gas in the tank was the same one from last year. Let's pour it out of the tank and take a good look at it and see if there's any problems with it. Well, there doesn't seem to be any problems with the gas, so let's go ahead and pour in some fresh gas and try it again and see if there's a difference. It is running way better with the fresh gas, but I'm going to go ahead and adjust the high mixture screw so it runs a little bit better. This is a great example of how fresh gas compares to old gas in a piece of equipment. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.